Understanding Clean Air, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: clean air. You might have heard this phrase in various contexts, and today, we're going to dive deep into its meaning, usage, and significance. So, let's get started. Clean air is a two-word phrase, consisting of an adjective, clean, and a noun, air. Clean. When we say something is clean, we mean it is free from dirt, pollution, or impurities. Air. Air is the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the earth, which we breathe. So, putting them together, clean air refers to air that is free from pollutants, dust, or any other harmful substances. It implies that the air is pure and safe to breathe. Clean air is crucial for our health and the environment. Health. Breathing clean air helps in maintaining good respiratory health, reducing the risk of lung diseases, and promoting overall well-being. Environment. Clean air also contributes to a healthier environment. It helps in protecting the flora and fauna, maintaining the ecological balance, and preventing the deterioration of the ozone layer. Understanding the importance of clean air also encourages us to contribute to air pollution prevention measures. Now, let's look at some examples of how clean air can be used in sentences. 1. After the rain, the clean air felt refreshing. 2. The government is implementing new policies to ensure clean air for the city. 3. People are moving to the countryside in search of clean air and a peaceful environment. In these examples, clean air is used to describe the quality of air in different contexts. And that wraps up our discussion on clean air. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the meaning and importance of clean air. Remember, every step towards reducing air pollution counts, and it starts with awareness. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.